Oh my god. Oh no. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Yeah, I remember. Mixed opinions on Reddit. Are you guys okay? Yeah, I'm good. Okay, Brandon?
Take the next left on the Post Creek Road.
Стоять нахуй. Ой, сука, все. Пидоры, блядь. Блядь.
Most crashes don't come with warning signs. They happen during a normal drive, just like the ones we all take every day. Welcome to Crash Data.
Whoa! Holy crap!
Most days on the road feel routine. You start the engine, you drive, you get where you're going. But not every trip ends that way. Sometimes it only takes one moment and everything changes.
Oh, shit!
Man, the Patriots are so smart and they're so well coached. And I wanted to show how smart, how well coached they are. This isn't their opening drive. It's a 3rd and 10 screen pass. A couple things that I want to point out. Now, they're so well coached. And I wanted to show how smart, how well coached they are. This isn't their opening.
You know the scary part? Most crashes aren't dramatic. They don't come with screeching tires and cinematic slow motion. They come quietly. A car runs a red light, someone checks their phone for a second too long, a driver misjudges a curve, and then suddenly, impact. No warning, no second chance. Just damage, loss, regret.
You can start with private multi?
Yes.
What?
Right on East 740.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Your dad's always there. He's like, it's like his dojo or something. It's crazy.
I have no idea how he did it.
Oh my god!